Your company's most sensitive data is scattered across apps, clouds, and devices, and the average organization now faces 156 security incidents every single year. Reason 1. Purview automatically finds and classifies your sensitive data, then locks it down with sensitivity labels and encryption that travel with every file, everywhere it goes. Reason 2. Data loss prevention stops leaks before they happen, blocking risky sharing of financial, health, and personal data across email teams and every managed device. Reason 3, the big one, Purview catches insider threats from inside your walls, flagging the risky clicks, mass downloads, and quiet leaks that outside tools completely miss. Reason 4, Compliance Manager turns a nightmare into a checklist, scoring you against 360 regulations and pulling audit trails and e-discovery together in one place. Reason 5, as Copilot and AI spread through your business, Purview guards that data too, one connected platform replacing 12 scattered tools. That's why teams trust Microsoft Purview.